So, hi, Chris. It's Tyler here, and I thought I'd just shoot a quick video to reference the on page duplicate content here on the home page. So, I'm sort of just shooting this on the fly. I don't really have a script or anything, so I'm going to try not to let it run on too long, but sort of apologize in advance if I stumble over my words a little bit here. But I'm glad that Ben is taking action to sort out our URL structure. That's going to be really important and good that we're tackling that and we found that, so that's great. So the other factor is just those reviews on the homepage. So I've got some suggestions here, and then I can shoot another video with even more detail about this schema markup that perhaps your developer can take a look at. But with the information here, it might be enough for him to do the appropriate things. So here's the new homepage, and just scrolling down, I'm going to try to keep this quite brief. Um, Talking about these on-page reviews. So I do have a suggestion which will help if you are going to keep them on the website word for word. We spoke about paraphrasing. I think you were right about kind of takes away from the review. It's probably not the best avenue to take. It certainly is one you could take, but I think these suggestions here that I have could be even better. So basically, I'm just running down here, and I know you've got a section for testimonials, so video testimonials. You've got some users here that have written in, and you've got some video testimonials, and then you've got this button, See All Testimonials. So when you click that, you're taken to a playgroundsessions.com/about testimonials. So here's a page with some celebrity testimonials. So ideally, with these reviews, you've got testimonials, our mission, music instructors. You could have another about section under the about, um, whole larger section here called reviews. So when someone comes down here, and they're reading here and they see this review and stamp of approval from top 10 reviews, read full review or view full review. Instead of opening here in this module widget, they're taken to a separate page called reviews, where you can design that page very nicely to host this content. So that's really it's the best way to do this. It's so we don't mess with any duplicate content on the home page. It gets it off, and you really don't have to worry. So rather than these popping up, you click that and you just are taken to a review page. The title could be, what industry insiders are saying about playground sessions, and then you can host this review the exact same way, but it's off the home page. Because if you look at it, the content wise, that's quite a bit of content compared to the actual text and content on the entire home page. And same with the other review here, full, view full review. You could take that and take that to the review page as well, because here again there's a large section of content. So having these both on the home page, something like 65 or 70% of the content is duplicate content that's found on other pages. So that's how Google may be reading it. So to simply just click the button and you're taken to a separate review page that hosts all these reviews from insiders, or however you want to label it. That would really be the best way to deal with this. And then we've got no issues on this homepage. Now, this is really how some of the other people in your industry, in other music industries, and really in software as well, deal with these type of reviews. It's sort of how they set up their website. So it's not like users aren't going to understand that when they click this, they are taken to a page that hosts all the reviews. So just in looking at some of the other people in the industry and whatnot, and some other software businesses, we can see that Floki sort of does this, and not directly from the homepage, but if you scroll down, they've got user stories. So they're taken away from the homepage onto a page that hosts their user stories. And you sort of do that with your testimonials already. The other people in our competitive area here. Hoffman Academy does that sort of as well. They don't host the actual user reviews on their homepage. They actually take you to Facebook, which may or may not be a good thing. But then some other people in similar industries, Guitar Tricks, they do the same sort of thing. When you scroll down here, you read some of the reviews, and then you're taken to a review page that has a video review of a user here and some other reviews as well. Just two other examples. Jamplay, another guitar type of setup, does this as well. If you scroll down, read more independent reviews. So when people click that, they're taken to their testimonial or sort of review page. So here all the video reviews line up. So these reviews aren't necessarily hosted on the homepage. They're taken to that separate page. And then I don't want to go over and over and over with all these examples, but here's another good one from a software type of company or GetResponse. So they do email marketing. If people scroll down and they're reading and they get to a section on customers and testimonials and reviews, read more customer reviews, and they're taken to their customer page where they host, some really good reviews and testimonials and everything like that. So basically, you see you're already sort of doing that with the See All testimonials. When someone clicks here to view this full review, you can be taken to an added page here called Reviews that hosts this review very well and very nice, designed the exact same, but that way it gets it sort of off the homepage. So I think that would be really the best suggestion. So what you can also do is set up this code called schema code. So I'll get into that next.